Hello everyone, Daisy here with another layout for SpiegelMom Scraps. Today I am using the scallop borders that I created on IGTV. I hope the video, it should be up today. I got behind on my posting and so I just didn't get it posted in time, but there will be a tutorial on how to create these shaker borders using your fuse tool. So I started with these scallop shapes that I created in my Silhouette software, and I cut them out in some silver mirror cardstock from Cardstock Warehouse. And then the shaker pockets are my favorites. I filled them with unicorn dust, starry dreams, and rockabye baby girl sequin mixes. Out of the rockabye baby girl and unicorn dust, I just used the pink ones, and then the starry dreams, I used all of them. So the blue sequins you see are from the starry dreams. I used the rockabye baby girl to kind of fill them in because there's some larger pink sequins, and it kind of helped add like more sequin bulk, I guess, to my shakers. So I'm using some purple cardstock from Cardstock Warehouse, and then I'm also going to use this Dear Lizzie paper, and then I'm just going to separate that divide with my title, which is something I cut out on my Silhouette, just using some fonts that I own, and it's just going to be Unicorn Love. The pictures for this layout are going to be of my youngest daughter. For her birthday a few years ago, she got one of the Build-A-Bear unicorn stuffed animals that is from Despicable Me. And we took her out for lunch and took her to get her hair cut, and she brought it everywhere with her. So I have 5 pictures of her with her unicorn, and so I am going to go unicorn crazy on this. So the scallop idea was something I have been playing around with for a while, and it also fits really well with the Paper Issues Challenge for March. So if you like to use scallops, or if you're going to be using this technique, you can also enter it over there. But yeah, I wasn't sure what I wanted to do with it, and then when I picked out my colors, that kind of, I don't know, helped me kind of get to my design idea on what exactly I wanted to scrapbook about, because it was just so, you know, glittery and girly. So, and I'm adhering all this down with my hot glue gun. I find that adhering down the shaker pockets works better for me if I use my hot glue gun or if I sew them down versus using wet glue or even like ATG. I feel like they just don't hold it strong enough because of the slippery texture, I guess, of the plastic. So now I'm pulling out my Chamel die cuts, and I'm also going to pull out some Dear Lizzie puffy stickers and some 6x6 papers. And basically I'm just looking for any unicorns that I have. So I have those 2 paper clips, and I'm going to actually pull the clips off of them. And I think I only get 1 of them on here. And then I have the 2, what are they, holographic pieces from Chamel, and I'm going to get those used up, which is super exciting. I fussy cut out one of those unicorns on that little 2x2 card from Dear Lizzie. I was thinking about trying to use that paper from Dear Lizzie as well, but it just didn't match the color scheme well enough. And then I'm going to pull in a whole lot more stickers. So I had to, there's going to be a break in the video here. I had to go do something, and then I came back to it, and I pulled out my Chamel Glitter Girl stickers, and there's a couple of things from in there I use. You can see that little puffy unicorn head down on the speech bubble. I use that. I'm going to use this sparkly piece that came off of the paper clip, both of those holographic pieces. I pulled out my Dream, I think it's Dream Big collection from Simple Stories, and there's 2 puffy unicorns on there. I'm going to pull them off and put them on there. I have that one that I fussy cut out. And then I'm also going to pull in some holographic they're like little tiny planner stickers from Paper House Productions, and they were perfect to help pull the silver over onto the side with the photos. And then I had that little gap up there at the top, and so I pull in, there was 2 puffy stickers that say Believe and Magic, and then I just used the pink holographic ones from Glitter Girl to spell in. And I just decided I needed to start sticking stuff down because I liked where everything was. So, and then I'm going to cut down my photos and I'm going to trim them down to, I think it's I think it's 2 by 3 or 2 by 3.5. Just because there was a lot of stuff going on in the background of the photos, and she took up such a tiny amount of the actual photo that I wanted to make sure that she was highlighted and not all the junk in the background. Because like we were at the store and we were at the salon, and there's always, you know, brightly colored displays and piles of stuff, so. So I'm just going to adhere those down. I'm just going to use ATG. I decided not to back them because I felt like I had enough going on that I didn't really need that. So I'm just going to stick them down in kind of this wonky fanned out pattern, I guess. And I am going to stick that one, the last one there, up on some fun foam, just because she's got the huge smile on her face. You can see the unicorn, and I thought it would just be perfect to highlight that photo. Then I'm going to come in with those other little stickers. So if you don't already, you should head on over to Facebook and join the Spread the Sparkle Facebook group, which is the SpiegelMom Scraps Facebook group. That's where you're going to find out about all the new releases, about any sales that are going on, anything that the sparklers are creating, and just get a lot of great inspiration. It's also where you're going to find out when the pre-orders come out. So if you haven't heard, Jody decided to start doing some pre-orders, and in this you end up getting 20% off of all of the sequins in that release. So I can't remember the exact price right off the top of my head, but it is a really good deal because you get everything that she released. So and I mean, it's better than even using my discount code, which is Daisy15, if you want 15% off your purchase, or you can get all of the sequins from the new releases for 20% off. So it's a great deal, and you can find out about it either on Instagram or on the Facebook group, or I think she's also, you can also go over and join the email list, and then you will get an email when they're coming out as well. So I'm just trying to decide something to put in between the unicorn and the love to fill in that little gap there. And I don't know if you can see, but I had put a little sticker on the O of unicorn. I'm actually going to pull that off and move that over. And that's pretty much going to be it, I think. I was trying to push myself to use some more unicorns. As you can see, I have a lot, but it doesn't end up happening. So like I said, head on over to the Facebook group and join us. You can use my code Daisy15 whenever you would like. It's also good on the Shimmers products in the shop, so you might want to check those out as well. And I will see you again next time. Oh, don't forget to head on over to Instagram TV or IGTV, and hopefully you'll get to see my tutorial for those scallop borders, shaker borders. But thank you so much for watching. Bye!